You've heard about AI everywhere, on your phone, in the news, even making weird images. But what's happening behind the scenes is evolving so fast it's hard to keep up. Today's AI isn't just following commands, it's rewriting what's possible. Imagine systems that set their own goals, read your mind, or improve themselves at breakneck speed. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, and it's changing every part of our lives. We've uncovered the 9 most mind-bending facts about AI that will completely shift your perspective. Let's dive in. First up, AI agents. Forget simple commands, these systems handle complex goals on their own. Tell an AI, plan a 5-day Tokyo trip on a budget, and it'll research, book, and adjust plans if things change. These agents strategize, adapt in real time, and even ask for clarification if needed. They're not just tools, they're collaborators, managing tasks from start to finish. Projects like AutoGPT and Agent GPT are early examples, but they signal a shift from passive AI to active, autonomous partners. If a flight's canceled, the AI pivots and updates your itinerary. No intervention needed. This is self-directing intelligence, and it's a game changer. The future of productivity is here. Next, AI is learning to decode human thoughts, literally. Using brain scans, AI can translate brain activity into text or images, reconstructing what you're thinking or seeing. This tech could give a voice to those who can't speak, creating direct brain-to-computer communication. The results are early but astonishing, blurring the line between mind and machine. Of course, it raises big questions about privacy, but the technology is real, and it's here. Now imagine AI that writes, tests, and improves its own code. Give it a prompt, build an e-commerce site, and it generates, debugs, and optimizes the code itself. It can spot flaws, fix vulnerabilities, and even make its own work faster. This feedback loop means AI can accelerate its own evolution, potentially outpacing human development. We're not at runaway superintelligence yet, but the groundwork is being laid. AI is now a participant in its own creation. The pace of innovation is about to explode. Deepfakes are a real threat. AI-generated videos and audio that can fool anyone. But our best defense? More AI. Detection models are trained to spot the tiniest digital fingerprints left by fakes, blinking patterns, lighting glitches, or subtle distortions. It's an arms race. As detection improves, so do the fakes. Security researchers and bad actors are locked in a constant battle, pushing both sides to new heights. The fight against deepfakes is one of the most active frontiers in AI security. The stakes have never been higher. In medicine, AI is already outperforming doctors in some diagnostic tasks. Trained on millions of scans, AI can spot diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately than humans. It's not about replacing doctors, but giving them a powerful assistant for faster, more accurate diagnoses. Doctors use AI as a second opinion, or to triage urgent cases, freeing up time for patient care. This human-AI partnership is already saving lives. The future of healthcare is collaborative. AI is challenging what it means to be creative. Generative models like DALL-E and Mid-Journey produce original art, music, and stories that rival human work. These systems learn styles and concepts, then create entirely new pieces from simple prompts. The art world is debating, is this real creativity or just mimicry? Regardless, AI-generated works are winning competitions and moving audiences. The line between human and machine creativity is blurring fast. We're witnessing a new era of artistic collaboration. Self-driving cars learn like humans, through experience, not just rules. Fleets from Tesla, Waymo, and others have driven billions of miles, sharing every lesson across the network. Each tricky situation one car solves becomes knowledge for all. This collective learning is why progress can seem slow, then suddenly leap forward. The monumental data problem is being cracked, mile by mile. Fully autonomous driving is inching closer to reality. Language barriers are falling thanks to AI-powered real-time translation. Modern translators understand context, nuance, and idiom, not just words. Point your phone at a menu or use earbuds for instant conversation translation. This tech is moving from novelty to everyday necessity, connecting people worldwide. The universal translator is no longer sci-fi. AI is making the world smaller and more connected. The toughest challenge for AI? Ethics. As AI gains autonomy, we must teach it to make moral choices, no easy task. Researchers are trying explicit rules and learning from human behavior to align AI with our values. Philosophers, scientists, and policymakers are all involved in this critical work. Creating transparent, value-aligned AI is essential for a future that benefits everyone. We're just at the beginning, but the stakes couldn't be higher. There you have it, 9 facts that show how AI is reshaping our world. From mind-reading tech to self-improving code, AI is moving from tool to collaborator. The pace is staggering, and what's sci-fi today will be normal tomorrow. Staying curious and engaged is key as we shape this future together. Which fact blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more on the cutting edge of AI. This is Alan. See you next time.